And then last year, around I say June, July, I pivoted like once more in the industry since I've been in this about 6 years.
Mm-hmm.
I pivoted because I knew that the rates were going up. I seen it happen as it was transitioning, and then knowing what these homeowners are paying for these fees on the back end of just knowing how solar is being sold, I started to sell on a higher interest rate principle because you eliminate about $10,000 to $15,000 in cost and fees that associate with the bank for using their money. And
Mm.
most people don't know that whenever you take out a loan, there's points that are being added on those
Yeah.
deals. You're not just going to get $500,000 for free.
Nope.
It's going to cost you something. It might be rolled into your deal. You might not necessarily have to pay for it right now, but you'll be paying interest on it until you pay that loan off.
Yeah.
So what I try to do for my clients and my customers is be able to provide value on education on what those
That's it.
fees are and let you know and give you the option. Do you want to roll this in with the intentions of paying this off in the near future? Or would you like to avoid that, pay the higher APR right now, and then take advantage of a lower overall principal loan, which you can still pay off in the same amount of time?